Walking through the city bazaar to buy some quail pakhi.
Harvey's quail bird is only 45 taka. We have taken 4 pairs of quail birds. These are tiny eggs of the quail bird. So pretty. 4 piece only 10 taka. We are gonna take 40 pieces by 100 taka. Exploring the market always feels refreshingly delightful.
Excuse me. এরা তো খুবই স্পিডি
নিজে রান্না করা যায়
This is the quail bird. We are gonna fry all this. Let's start. Bismillah, Allahu Akbar.
It was very much delicious. Anyone would love that. So perfect. If you love bird's meat, then definitely you should try this. At last we tried our unique kacha badam juice with some sugar and green chili. That was just totally different experience.